How to recover deleted TikTok messages. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's begin. First, open TikTok. Now tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner. Tap three line icon at top right and go ahead and tap Setting and Privacy. Now you need to simply tap on Account and select Download your data. Now wait for TikTok to prepare your data. Now you simply need to select a file format for your data and tap on Request Data, the pink blue or the pink bubble at bottom of your screen. So now the request will be processed and it might take up to 4 days. So you can slide the download data at the top to check the progress. After 4 days, you will be able to access all your data including your profile activity logs and messages. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.